girls from Cook Less Cucina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're continuing our pasta week. So now we're going to do an orzo pasta salad. And we're going to use, again, some more fresh ingredients just to brighten it up and keep it fresh. We're using a grilled eggplant. If you don't like eggplant, use zucchini. I mean, there's so many different variations that you could do. So we just started to grill here. And, you know, we finished grilling our eggplant right here. And I'm going to chop a couple of things. Jackie's got some tomatoes.
I'm chopping up some olives.
Some olives, and I'm going to strain the orzo now so that we can start it in our bowl.
So let's get that in here first.
That in there.
You're just chopping up Kalamata olives. You can use any type of olives if you want to make it Greek.
Or like you can get Greek green olives. Those are really good.
Don't they have them with the peppers in them?
They do. Oh my god.
Those would be good.
So good. They also have them stuck with almonds. Kind of neat.
Okay, so we're going to let that strain a little bit. And I'm going to chop up some parsley.
Just going to put the rest of our grilled eggplant all in one bowl. And we just seasoned this before we grilled it with a little salt. Sea salt.
We have some mint here. Oh my gosh, the mint smells so good. So if you grow mint at home and you put it in your garden, it'll grow like a weed. And you'll end up having so much.
No, but the thing is with mint, if you have any other herbs planted next to it, it infuses its flavor into the other herbs. So it really like ruins the taste of the other herbs unless you want it that way.
Mine is just in a corner by itself. And
So no, but the thing is, if you're not going to plant anything else, it's fine. But the best thing, if you're planting a multitude of herbs, plant the mint in a container by itself and have it separate from everything else. That way you maintain the integrity of your herbs.
Strained orzo.
Okay, I'm done with the olives.
I'm done with my tomatoes.
So let's start putting our ingredients in there.
Do we want to do some olive oil?
Yeah,
you can drizzle this.
Olive oil.
Drizzle some olive oil and help to just have everything come together.
And then we're going to throw our eggplant, our grilled eggplant in there.
Put on top. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Okay, next we're gonna do we have, you want to put the herbs in?
I'm gonna put the herbs in there. So we have some parsley and our mint.
You want to save a little bit to sprinkle on top?
Sure.
Let's make it look pretty. We're gonna put in half of our feta. There we go. And we'll do the rest. We're going to put the rest of it on top.
That's looking pretty good.
Awesome.
Put it down here. Didn't get any dressing. No. There we go. Look at that. How beautiful. And then you always want to have just a little bit of reserved.
Sprinkle some olives on top.
That's nice. Sprinkle our herbs on top.
Lots of colors in there. Some yellow, some green,
The
red, white, purple, green. Maybe I said green already. Losing my mind.
Okay. And there we have our Greek island orzo salad.
There you go. Kaliorexi.
Kaliorexi.